Hello everyone, welcome to Chemistry Sharing. So guys, as you already know that we are doing atomic structure chapter and I have already uploaded 4 to 5 videos of this chapter. Links you can find in the description. Okay friends? In this video, I'm going to discuss about some questions along with their answers based on the theory, whatever we have done till now. Okay guys, see, just doing the theory won't help you during your exams. Okay, so if you will keep on practicing questions as soon as the theory is done, then what happens? You won't find it difficult during your exam, okay? Because time to time, if you will practice the question, then you will remember the topics, isn't it? So let's start with the very first question, which is, who determined the charge of electron for the first time? Okay, so think before seeing the answer, just pause the video and start thinking. Okay, so here we go. The answer for this question will be R.A. Millikan. Yes, he was the first scientist who determined the charge of the electron for the first time. Okay, now let's come to the second question. Cathode rays consists of beam of what? So this is a very simple question, isn't it friends? And the answer for this is electrons. So the cathode rays consist of beam of electrons. Okay, now let's come to the next question. How many times an atom of hydrogen is heavier than an electron? So guys, when we were doing the theory portion, then we have seen that the mass of electron is 1 by 1840 times to that of hydrogen atom, isn't it? So see how the question has been reversed. So the answer for this is about 1840 times, because we have seen that electron is 1 by 1840 times lighter than hydrogen atom, isn't it? Which simply means that hydrogen atom is 1840 times heavier than an electron. Okay, next question. What is the nature of charge on cathode rays and anode rays? So again, this is a very simple one and you can easily answer this, isn't it? So the answer for this will be cathode rays are negatively charged and anode rays are positively charged. Okay. Question number 5. Which of the two has larger mass, electron or proton? So this is also very easy. We know that proton has larger mass than electron, isn't it? Next, what is the approximate ratio of mass of proton and electron? So friends, we know that mass of proton is equals to the mass of hydrogen atom and mass of electron is 1 by 1840 times to that of hydrogen atom, isn't it? So when we find the ratio for the mass of proton and electron, then it comes out to be 1840 is to 1. Okay. Next, give one property in which cathode rays and anode rays differ. Very simple. So cathode rays are negatively charged while anode rays are positively charged. Okay. Then, are electrons present in all atoms? So the answer will be yes, electrons are present in all the atoms. Okay. Then, are neutrons present in all atoms? So the answer for this will be no. Neutron is not present in hydrogen atom. So hydrogen atom does not contain any neutron. Okay. Guys, first of all, I was thinking that I will complete the entire theory portion and then at last I'm going to upload the videos based on Q&A. But later on what I thought that no, if I'll complete some of the theory portion and then I'll do some question and answers in between, then it will be a very good revision for you, isn't it? Now let's see some more questions. Okay, so who determined the charge to mass ratio of negative rays? Okay, so pause the video and just try once. Okay, so the answer for this will be J.J. Thomson. Okay, so he was the first person who determined the charge to mass ratio for the negative rays. Okay. Next, who determined the charge to mass ratio of positive rays? And the answer for this is W. Wayne. Okay. Then question number 12. Who discovered the following: electrons, protons and neutrons? Okay, so just think and try to recapitulate whatever theory we have done. You can find the answer from there itself. Okay, so just try. Okay, so here we go with the answers are. So electrons were discovered by J.J. Thomson, protons were discovered by E. Goldstein, and neutrons were discovered by James Chadwick, isn't it? Now let's see the next question. Does cathode rays and anode rays both depend on the nature of gas taken in the discharge tube? So we already know that cathode rays does not depend on the nature of gas taken in the discharge tube. Only anode rays depends. Okay. Next, cathode rays were discovered by using which experiment? So I have already discussed this experiment in a very detailed manner. Okay, so you must be remembering this. Okay, so it was the discharge tube experiment. Now coming to the last question of this particular video, it is: cathode rays can rotate the paddle wheel placed in their path, but anode rays cannot. So whether the statement is true or false, just answer this. Okay, so we already seen that cathode rays and anode rays, they both can rotate the paddle wheel placed in their path. Okay, so this statement is false. Okay, so that's all for this video. Friends, please let me know through your comments that whether you like this step or not. Whether should I make this kind of videos based on Q&A in between the theory or not. Okay, so if you find this video helpful, then please like, share among your friends, and do subscribe to my channel for more videos. And thank you so much for giving your precious time to my video. Thank you friends, take care.